I earn online $100 per day and I just playing play to earn game. So today I will tell you how to do the same. Of course you can invest on Little Mario only $13, but the income will be the same and I think that there is no sense invest like that. But after you buy Little Mario you can buy Big Mario. On this Big Mario, as you can see, I invested for BNB and it's around $1000. But here, as you can see, I already earned 1.2 BNB. But the most interesting, if you have more money, you can invest on the Fire Mario. As you can see, I invested on this Mario 10 BNB. It's around $2300. And here, per some days, I already earned 2.1 BNB. So together I earned $800 doing exactly nothing. Okay guys, you can go under the video and click on the link to BNB Mario. Then you will be directed on this website. Also guys, if you have $5000, you can easily invest on this Mario. I didn't risk to do this, but now I really regret it, because this game is on the smart contract and here you can check the balance history of this game. And obviously, as you can see, this balance is only increasing. That's why I'm sure that I will never lose my invested money. And that's why I regret that I didn't invest on this Mario. But of course for me enough earn $100 from this game, because I also play another play to earn games and earn much more money from all of these games. But on video I told you about the most safety game, where you can easily earn money every day, and I think that this game will working 100 days or more. So all of this time we will earn money. And guys, to start playing this game you can just click login. After that you need to connect your MetaMask, so click connect, and then you can easily click on Mario and buy him. So as I told you, at first you need to buy Little Mario, then you will be able to buy Big Mario, and you will easily make money online in the same way like me. Also guys, under the video I will leave the link to my Telegram. If you have problems with the registration or you have question, just ask me on my Telegram. Also guys, if you want know more information about BNB Mario, just watch this video and subscribe on my channel to not lose new good projects on the future.